Good evening, team. Good evening, team. Yeah, you guys, I just want to thank you to those who are subscribing and to those who are supporting with joining the group and the book. You can join the group on WhatsApp, on my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number, and you can also get yourself a copy of a book. Actually, what I'm now dealing with is you guys to get the book and learn exactly what to do. I don't know if you guys are not seeing what my codes are doing. These codes, they are dangerous, especially in UK 49s and Mega Million. Watch out. I'm telling you guys, I know what I'm saying. So you guys don't be like confused with prediction apps. Use these codes. So the first code now, it says to us, I'll show you another combination. You see now the first code say 4900. That is a 4600 as well. So it means there is a 40, there is a 49, there is a 46. We cannot say 90 because it's above the comma. So now this code 2967 didn't work on lunch. So the pending number is 29. Remember, because now the 8 came right. If you guys can watch the video that I posted previously, it was 8, 9, 32, something like 9. Then they decided to bring a 19 because they saw that now it was danger. Because, if we can all hit 4 numbers, we destroy this UK Fortnite. You understand? So they decided on their own, like, let's bring back the 19 because they know it to run. And with the 47, I was supposed to drop there to subtract with what you call 10. Okay, so the first code is 4900. That is a 49 or 46. Okay, and then the second code is 0115, meaning that there is a 11 there, there is a 15. There's a 11 and then there's a 15. The 10 has already dropped. So expect the 15 to drop. It was supposed to drop now, but don't know what they did. And then they skipped that number. And then the second code is 0817. Here, guys, there is a 17. If I have to check here, the 8 has already dropped. And the 18 dropped last night. So that 48, remember that 48 that I talked about? The 48 from that other code, can you please add it also? The 48 is going to drop by fire by force tonight. And then now the 17, let me check. If I have to check, it's 187. Means if I add those numbers, that will give me 25. If I subtract, it's going to give me an 11. So 11 is a good number, and then the 25 on the side. Do you see that, guys? Okay, and then now I'm going to move to the last code, 2967. Do you see? It was just, if I have to spin, it's a 26, it's a 29, it's a 27. Because the 9 did not drop now, only the other one dropped, 9672. If it's Christy, she splits numbers like this. You must be careful on that. So another thing, guys, let me draw the code with you, because I know it's very important to draw the code. You understand? It's very, very important. I think you have seen that 11508172967. So as you can see, I always say this: if you see a double number like 7, it means that number is a good number, like to play as a single or as a 14. Okay, and then if you check at the bottom here, there's a 16. Then the 11 is visible. It is straightforward. 11 is dropping today by fire by force. So it's 115 or 1115 or 1115 or 115, something like that. And then I've got a 20 there at the bottom there. So the 8 is dropped, which means the 19 is also dropped. So the 9, there is a possibility of a 911 to drop. Do you see that? And then the 18, I'm not sure because there's 1 8 there. And then the 57 already on the other side, it's also popping up. So the drawings is very important. It is very, very, very important for you guys to master the drawings. So these are the codes for T, and I expect you guys to boom. Let me see which other number is pending here that isn't dropped. Watch out for this number 40. Watch out for 40 tonight. Watch out for 4049 or 4046, something like that. Okay guys, so the rest we shall discuss tomorrow. I think, and I guess I'm done with what I was supposed to post. And then I did post also Ghost Lotto. I mean, like SA Lotto. You guys, you don't love it, but please, for those of who are playing, make sure you play. Thank you very much. Enjoy.